Now, is this MacBook Pro great? Yes. Would I buy it again?
CSQUAD, yeah, we started something great. My goals on the horizon, I'm just cleaning off my plate. Listen up, we got tech so passionate, keeps the fire going higher. 100K still a goal, which I'm inspired. Hey, links for my peoples, they buying sequels. I'm just here to keep it peaceful, so comment after these bars. Share, like, subscribe, we moving closer to these stars. Another video is here, so sit back, it's up to par. Let's go.
What's up guys, CKid here, and today I want to talk with you guys about the 2018 MacBook Pro. Now I've had this for a little over a month now, and I pretty much have put this thing through its paces, and I think I'm able to give you guys now my personal opinion and my overall thoughts about the MacBook Pro. So the one that I have here is Apple's 8th Gen i9 processor that is packed with 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of SSD storage. But if you guys want to save a little money, I personally recommend getting the base 512 gigabytes of SSD storage, saving you guys about $400, and go ahead and buy yourself one of these Samsung T5 external SSD for just $218, or you can get the 2 terabyte version for $427, basically giving you guys about a terabyte for just $27 in comparison to what Apple is charging you guys, which is $400 for just 1 terabyte. This thing here, guys, is amazing. I edit all of my videos off of this one single drive here, and it is just amazing. I'll have a link for you guys down in the description below. Now, is this MacBook Pro great? Yes. Would I buy it again? Well, let's talk about that for a second. Now, I mainly use this laptop here, guys, for editing videos on, using Premiere Pro, responding to emails, planning out my next videos and different things like that. And I have to admit, I actually prefer editing on this laptop than I do on my iMac that is behind me, mainly because for some reason when I'm pulling in 4K footage on my iMac, it buffers a lot. Now, I've heard, of proxy editing and different things like that, just haven't gotten into it. So editing on here is crazy fast, 4K footage, handling it, no problem. But my main issue that I have with this is that the body gets crazy hot when I'm rendering out my footage. Again, this is my very first MacBook Pro that I've ever owned, but when I took it back to Apple to ask them about it, they simply just told me that it's because of the small housing, the slim form factor, as well as the metallic body, that when the processor really starts working, when you're editing videos and different things like that, that it is normal for the body to heat up a little bit, and that you pretty much just have to keep it vented properly. So to keep that in mind, guys, when you guys are buying yours, as this thing will get hot when doing some heavy editing. But if you're doing things like surfing the web, checking emails, or writing papers and stuff like that, then the MacBook Pro here is going to be fine for that. But I don't think that you would need a MacBook Pro for something like that. I would look into more like the MacBook Air, which a creator friend of mine, CJ Knows Tech, he did a video and created some content around that MacBook Air. So I'll definitely link that down in the description below, as well as up here on the card for you guys. So to answer the question, would I buy this again? Yeah, I would. I think this is a great device for editing video. It's extremely portable. It's lightweight, which is something that I like because I can easily slide it into my gadget backpacks and just carry it with me anywhere that I go. Like I said, the only thing that I dislike about this MacBook Pro is the heat that comes from it. But if you grab yourself something like the Macbook laptop dock or holder from my previous video that I showed you guys, then you can get some good airflow with that. So definitely pick that up if you guys want to have that. Well, guys, that about wraps up today's video. If you guys found this video helpful on the MacBook Pro, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below. Hit that like button, as well as consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again for watching. Be different, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.